Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone. In today's episode, we're going to be working with these 4 feet Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree. I purchased these 2 Christmas trees to create an upside down Christmas tree that we're going to turn into a swag. So again, I have 2 of them and they did come from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to try and fluff them and decorate them to use outside, and like I said, it's going to be upside down. So if this is your first time here, we welcome you with open arms, and if you're returning, welcome back. We so appreciate your support. And also, don't forget to leave us some comments down below so we know you did come and show us some support. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this video. And if you want to go ahead and grab you a little drink and grab your snack, go ahead and do that and sit back and watch as I create these upside down Christmas tree swags.
The Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Sing joy, sing joy, sing joy. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love. Sing joy, sing, 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 sing joy, sing joy, sing joy.
Now I fluff the trees as much as I'm going to fluff them. And here you see the ribbon that we're going to be using to create the bow that is going to be placed at the very top of the bottom of the tree. So I'm using 4 different kinds here. As you can see, I'm using the glitter gold, gray, and tan as well too. So we're going to create the bow. And y'all, this is some very beautiful ribbon. And I tell you the truth, it is so thick until it was so hard for me to cut them, but I made it through. I just need me some, I guess, some industrial scissors to be able to cut this type of ribbon, because I do have a lot of it. I purchased a lot. So yeah, we're about to go ahead and create this ribbon that we're going to put on each one of the upside down tree swags.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains repeat the of His love, and wonders of His love.
I must be transparent and admit it was hard to do this bow because the cutting wasn't easy. This is some beautiful and expensive ribbon, and I tell y'all, when I say it is thick, it is thick. The sequin gold ribbon that I have, y'all, it was very hard to cut, but it is so beautiful and I love it. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Deco mesh and I'm going to cut it in 9-inch strips. And that's what I'm going to be using on the tree. So I'm going to use the silver that you see here, and I'm also going to be using some gold as well. With this process, I am not using any zip ties or any pipe cleaners or any wire to attach these rolls of Deco mesh. What I'm doing is I'm using the branches from this tree to secure the Deco mesh on here. So you don't have to use anything else unless that's something that you want to do, but utilize your branches because it is easier to adhere, you know, your ribbon or your Deco mesh or whatever you want to apply. Alright, love bugs, I have all of the gray mesh that I'm going to put on there and this is what it's looking like so far. So keep on watching because we have several more pieces to add to it. So keep watching. Y'all, in that ribbon is beautiful. The bow turned out so pretty. And I love ribbon that is wired because you can manipulate it so much. And as you can see, I've added the gold mesh onto there as well too. And then I've used the ribbon throughout with all of the different colors that are in the bow. So I wanted to use the colors that were in the bow to go through the tree itself. So I have gone ahead and added a gold jewel on here, and I think it is so perfect for this upside down Christmas tree swag. Look, y'all, it looks so beautiful. What a difference it made with the bow up there.
To the world, the Lord is come. Let us
complete reveal of my upside down Dollar Tree Christmas tree swag. It turned out beautifully. I love it, and I hope you all love it as much as I do. I enjoyed creating it for you, and also please give this video a big thumbs up and leave me some comments down below so I have both of them done. All right, love bugs, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa.